So here's something slightly ironic. The video I'm about to enhance with Kling 2.6 audio is a video where I explained why AI cannot replace people like me or anyone who plays a truly human role in life. And yet, today, I'm using AI right from the Higgsfield AI website to make that message sound better. If that doesn't perfectly describe the relationship we now have with tech, I don't know what does. Better to collaborate, not compete, right? Today, I'm taking one of my Joey Parker videos. Yes, I'm obviously staying faceless. A simple narrative piece that originally had only voiceover with still images.
Today was for creating. Home studio vibes were immaculate. Laptop open, mic check. My creative brain was already bouncing ideas around when, ping, a notification popped up.
And I'm using Kling 2.6 audio to add music, ambience, and atmosphere. Not to replace creativity, but to support it. I've seen amazing super realistic videos generated with sound from Kling 2.6 audio.
Further.
So I want to kind of push the limits with something unusual. A stickman video. Step 1, music, setting the mood. First thing I do, I give the video a heartbeat. With Kling 2.6 audio, I generate a happy, optimistic soundtrack. I'm aiming for something that feels like a productive morning, clear purpose, I've got things to do today. So I go to the video tab. By the way, from a Google search for Higgsfield AI, click this result and get into the website. With Kling 2.6 selected, I leave it in general. I make sure Kling 2.6 audio is selected and this button set to on. Next, I select one of my still images in this section for use in an establishment shot, which actually isn't in the original video. I give it a prompt. I'll leave a link to all prompts in the description. Hit generate. The moment the music comes in, the video shifts. I do the same for the house morning shot.
It was a beautiful morning. The kind of morning where the sunlight just hugs your face through the blinds and the coffee tastes like it's got something on you.
Same visuals, same message, but now...
It was a beautiful morning. The kind of morning where the sunlight just hugs your face through the blinds and
it breathes. Let's look at this scene. Joey waking up in the morning.
I stretched, yawned like a lion that hadn't hunted in days.
This moment is about a beginning, a fresh start, morning vibes. So I add the relevant still image, then the prompt. I'm going for a soft morning ambience. I just want to add a subtle room tone, distant life outside, nothing flashy. Real life isn't flashy, right? Layered, more like. We'll see the whole results later. My next selected scenes, leaving the house and also the drive to Mr. Lee's house.
12:30 p.m. As I pulled into the driveway, I saw Mr. Lee outside, fuming at a leaking pipe that was staging a full-on rebellion.
Joey driving up to Mr. Lee's house to inspect a leaky water pipe. Alright, the irony deepens. Haha. While the video talks about how AI can't replace skilled, trusted people, I'll be using AI to place us right inside the moment. I'll probably just add car and road or neighborhood ambience. So I go, place prompt, image next, and generate. There you go. The sound should take some of the heavy lifting of the storytelling. By the way, feel free to regenerate the videos till you're satisfied with the results. You may not get it the first time, but that's alright. Scene 3, fixing the pipe. Now we're under Mr. Lee's sink. Water dripping, pipes creaking, that slightly uncomfortable enclosed space feel. I think that's what we need here. So I'm just going to select the still image and then give it a prompt. There, that should tell the story better. Scene 4, amusement park with Z. This is about connection, memory, presence. So I generate crowd ambience, laughter, distant motion, and excitement. Same process, and suddenly the scene she'll feel full.
We explored, laughed, and grabbed dino-themed ice cream after. We explored, laughed, and grabbed dino-themed ice cream after.
It's louder, it's alive. There are many more scenes in this video, but I'm not going to show all of them, because once you understand the process, you can do it on repeat. Before I show you the final results, I'd like you to know Higgsfield offered unlimited free Kling 2.6 generations for everyone who subscribed to the Ultimate Plus plans up to December 12, 2025. I know that's past now at the time of this recording, but here's something great. Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices on the market, 29 cents per generation. Compare that to Free Peaks 48 cents, Artlist $1.52, Open Art 48 cents, and in videos $2.45. Alright, it's time to check out the enhanced sections of the video, feel the new impact. I'll leave a thumbnail at the end just in case you want to see what the whole video felt like before the sound design. Here's the video.
It was a beautiful morning. The kind of morning where the sunlight just hugs your face through the blinds. I stretched, yawned like a lion that hadn't hunted in days, and rolled out of bed. Home studio vibes were immaculate. Laptop open, mic check. My creative brain was already bouncing ideas around when I saw Mr. Lee outside, fuming at a leaking pipe that was staging a full-on rebellion. I rolled up my sleeves, crawled under the sink, and 45 minutes later, we were high-fiving over duct tape and elbow grease.
If this helped you, please like the video. Also subscribe for personal development and finance videos. Feel free to leave a comment, and thanks for watching.